The order of registration of the Waqf Board on Taj Mahal was put the Archaeological Survey of India in dock before the ASI approaches the High Court or Supreme Court. Uh, and there would have to think about the provision of contained under the Waqf Act. Under Section 44, Subsection 4, the Waqf Act of 1995, the Waqf Board took decision that the Taj Mahal was the property and the claim is final unless it is revoked by the tribunal constituted under Chapter 8 of the said Act. The Waqf Board is the statutory authority. It consists of A. Subclause A. Chairman. Subclause B. Not more than 2 members as state government may think. Roman 2. Roman H. To be elected from each of the electoral college consisting of number 1 Muslim MPs from the state, Muslim members of the state legislature, Muslim members of the Bar Council of State, Muslim Mutawali of the Waqf having an annual income of rupees 1 lakh and above, one and not more than 2 members to be nominated by the state government, representation eminent Muslim organization, one and no more than 2 members to be nominated by the state government, each from the recognized scholar of the Islamic theories, and in and officer of the state government not below the rank of the deputy secretary. According to the advocate I.B. Singh, where the state government is satisfied for the reasons to be recorded in writing that it was reasonably practicable to constitute an electoral college of any one of the category named may nominate such persons as to be deemed fit. The members of the board are entitled to hold the office of the term for 5 years. He added that in Uttar Pradesh, the nomination of the board has been politically rather than on merit. Similarly, under the Section 83 of the Act, the state government constitute a tribunal, and the notifications to this effect in the official gazette. The state government may constitute as many as the tribunal as it think fit to determination of the any dispute, question, or the other matter relating to the provision of work property. According to the advocate Singh, any withdrawal it any other persons agree by the ground may approach to the tribunal for the in this manner the civil court has no jurisdiction in any matter which has been required to be determined by the tribunal. About the Waqf decision on Taj Mahal, while relating the decision of the board constituting under the provision of Section 36, subsection 8 of the Waqf Act 1995, application for registration shall be made within 3 months from such commencement, and on that application, the board, after making the inquiry, can register that work property. In this manner, coming to the conclusive part of this article, the civil court has no jurisdiction. The what happened to the status of the secular status of the state, whether there is a complete compromise in this respect, why we are having this anti-Hindus phenomena here in this country, why, what is the use of this Brahmostra, and how many Brahmostra we can use when our country is itself polluted. In the Atmakatha of Mahatma Gandhi, he had written that Kaba Gandhi got 4 marriages, and the last one was with the Putli Bai, living in Junagadh state, whose Nawab was Bhutto, the real brother of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who became the Prime Minister of Pakistan. And in this manner, the entire thing has to be looked into when this Raul Vinci, Bentica, Vadera, these all peoples, these all people who have been having the usurpation of our monument from Hindus temple to converted to the, and our peoples are very silent upon the things. When I filed the petition before the court, then they say it's not feasible or desirable to decide this controversy. So whether it's a secular status of our nation, whether we are living in India or we are in Pakistan, whether the Waqf board has got the control, what the Waqf actually stands for. Waqf, the property is given to the poor and the God. It was declared by the four bench of the Privy Council judges, four bench judges of the Privy Council. But in India, Waqf Act 1913 was brought with the effect that Privy Council should not be applicable in India. These are the books which relates the truth, and there are a number of the books hidden inside my library, which shows that the institution of the rewriting history can never be revived here in this nation. What to have Article 29 and 30 of the Constitution, minority status, what Indira Gandhi was. She was Memuna Begum. She was a debauched lady. She was a prostitute because living with the Dharmendra, Dhirendra Brahmachari, and all these peoples with her, having the illicit relationship with Feroz Jahangir Khan, from whom this Rajiv Gandhi was born, and he never married with Sonia Gandhi. How she was inducted inside the Prime Minister residence, why the name of Rahul Gandhi is Vinci, Raul Vinci, and Bentica, Badora. So this Roman Catholic can get entire country being converted. We are idiot. You are not the Indian, but the Red Indian of America. You are required to be treated like that of the what Hitler has done with the Jews, those who were having the business there. They were not looking after the nation itself. They were having the egoistic trend, having that our country may go on the rest of the people may have the survival on the cost of the blood of other person. So in this process, our constitution should have been amended, as otherwise we will throw away the Muslim from this nation, comprising of the mosquito, scorpion, cobra, and viper, and crocodile and the python, and like that of Rohingya, and they are watching for the years to come. They will diminish their images with the SS lying here and there. What has been done there in Pakistan? So I have got an appeal to stand for the solidarity and cast your vote in the favor of the nationalist party. Thank you.